this is your first time here, in this video I will be collabing with Influencer. It's definitely an affiliate program that I'm working with, and I want to make sure to do this review for you guys because they sent it to me and it's just giving, okay? It's giving all of the vibes, okay? If you are a girly who is into self-care, you're into body scrubs, you're into lotions, you're into anything that has to do with you taking a bomb self-care shower or bath, this video is definitely for you. Stay tuned. So please go ahead and subscribe right now, and I will see you guys in a sec. Influencer done sent your girl some products, okay? DrTeals, okay? DrTeals done sent your girl their newest products. These are not even on the market yet, okay? They will be on the market, I want to say tomorrow, okay? When you guys see this video, it will be tomorrow. Y'all just don't even understand. Like, let's just start with one product at a time, okay? One product at a time. So I will be doing a split screen so that you guys can see the texture, see everything. I'm going to put everything on the screen somewhere, one of these sides, so that you can see everything as a whole, okay? So this one is DrTeals Shea Sugar Scrub, and this one is with melatonin. Let me say it again. This is with melatonin with essential oils, and this also has shea butter, coconut oil, and avocado oil. Everything that's been said on this container is everything that's healthy for your body, okay? It is also paraben and phthalate free. Y'all know what I'm talking about, okay? Like, don't even try me. So, this right here, y'all, look at the packaging. Like, look at the packaging on here. Like, I am a purple girl. I love purple. If you've been following my page for a long time, or you've been subscribed to my channel, like, I love purple. Like, purple always, to me, is fire, okay? So it says, DrTeals Shea Sugar Body Scrub is formulated with shea butter, sugar, and essential oils to exfoliate and smoothen the skin. Melatonin and essential oils help promote a better night's sleep and calm the mind, while shea butter, coconut oil, and avocado oil leave the skin moisturized. Now, y'all know we still in wintertime, right? We're like winter that's soon to be spring. So we got to get our body hydrated, keep all that dry skin off of us, and just try to keep our skin looking as supple and cute and moisturized as possible, because you don't want your man rubbing on you or your girlfriend rubbing on you and you feel like you've been, building houses all day. Like, sis, we do not build houses. I'm not saying we don't, but I'm just saying, even if we do, I'm not gonna say we can't build a house. We could definitely build a house, but we don't want it to feel like we've been doing all this manual labor. Like, come on, girl. Like, we sexy over here. Okay, let me tell y'all. Let's smell this. Okay. Okay. It really smells good. Like, this really smells good. Like, to me, I feel like there's a little bit of lavender in here. Like, it smells like a little bit of lavender in here. So if you are someone who doesn't like fragrances in their scrubs, or you're not really a fragrance girl, then this is not for you, okay? But if you're someone who doesn't really care about that, then this will be for you, sis. One thing I could say about this is that it is definitely it's a real scrub. Like, it's not it's a harsher type of scrub, but it's definitely for sensitive skin, because I have sensitive skin, and I swear to you, when I was rubbing it on my arm, as you guys can see, like, it was given, okay? My body feels so nice, so soft, not dry. Like, it's given, do all of this before date night, so when your man touch you tonight, like, you're extra supply, okay? But this is definitely a vegan-free product. I'm not sure if anybody needs to know that. One thing I will say about this, like, you should definitely rub it in, like how you're seeing me rub it in now. Definitely make sure to do it in circle motions. Make sure that you're really getting in there, and do not forget your elbows, okay? Because I don't know if y'all are like me. Like, sometimes I forget my elbows. Like, I'll do everything else and then I forget my elbows. Like, baby, Do not forget the elbows, okay? With the melatonin being in there, it's definitely gonna make you fall asleep, because I definitely used it, and you know, after I moisturized my body, like I was out. I was out for the count. When I did use this, I did pair it with the next product, which they ended up giving me a DrTeals body lotion, sleep lotion, okay, with melatonin and the same exact ingredients that were in this, okay? Now, they're saying that this is a 24-hour moisture. I did not wear it for a full 24 hours. I really, you know, wind down, did my little self-care, and then I put this on and I was out. Now, it's definitely moisturizing. It's very light. It's not a thick consistency. It is very light. Your body's definitely gonna be moisturized, everything like that. Okay, so this one has shea butter, cocoa butter, vitamin E, which helps moisturize the skin, as we all know, right? They're saying that it promotes a better night's sleep, just like the scrub. Now, this does have perfume in it. I will say that. It does have a perfume. So both of these do have a perfume to it. I did notice that it has lavender in it. It also has chamomile in it. And it definitely has the melatonin. So, like I said, it is definitely a light smell. You're definitely going to want to go to sleep in this. It's not something that you want to wear going out, you know, because you're going to smell like a whole baby. You do not have to do both. I will say that. Like, you do not have to do both at the same time. Like, if you already scrubbed your body down and you're just like, listen, I do not need another scrub, then just put this on at nighttime. And then if you shower in the morning, I would say, you know, don't put this back on. Only do this at nighttime, because I definitely was sleep like a baby. I have not done it with just this by itself, but I have done it with this and this. So when you put both of them together, out for a count. It's by the smell of it and everything that's in it, from the lavender and the chamomile. I already know I'm going to be asleep. I did pair it with my Native, and my Native has lavender in it. Anybody who does not know, lavender is a fragrance that calms and soothes the body and kind of makes your brain kind of settle down at nighttime. So anytime you see something with lavender in it, just know you're going to be very calm by the end of the night. Like, you're going to definitely be soothed and definitely calm for sure. Because, you know, if you ever feel like you're somebody who your mind is like always going, like even in your sleep, you feel like your mind is always going, this will help you definitely settle down and your mind settle down, so that you can get the perfect 8 hours that you need and be more relaxed. So here's a key tip. I don't want to not say this, because this helps me as well. So if you're someone who can drink chamomile tea, I would say do some tea or chamomile tea at nighttime right after you put this on. Your body will feel amazing. Okay? Amazing. I really love this as a pair. I do like it by itself, but I do love this as a pair. Now, all of the DrTeals family products are available at Walmart, Target, and also Amazon. The price point for the scrub and the lotion is anywhere from $6 to about $8, depending on where you go. And of course, you know, Amazon ships for free, so boom. I want to thank everyone for watching this video. Thank you all for subscribing. And also, I want to give a big thanks to Influencer for sending me these products, and also DrTeals. And I will see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you ended up getting these products, or if you have used DrTeals products before. And if you're even going to go out and go get these products, or even ones that I haven't spoken about. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.